Hey guys, welcome back to Perfect Coding, and today we'll be making a password generator. Let's start now. Okay, so we start by importing a package called random. And then if you want to be fancy, you can just print welcome to the password generator. And after that, we'll just declare a variable called letters. Now we want the uppercase and the lowercase version of the alphabet, along with special characters and numbers. So I'll go ahead and paste that. Now if you don't want to write all these letters and numbers and special characters, then you can go into the description below and copy and paste it. Now we declare another variable called con. It can be called anything. It's your choice, variables can be called anything, but I'm just using this for now. Con is equal to true, and then we introduce a while loop. While con is equal to true. And then we enter inside, and then we take the input of how long the user wants this password to be. So we just put usernum, which is the number that the user is going to input, is equal to the integer version, because it won't recognize a string version of the input if you compare it. The integer version of the input of how many letters in your password. And after that we declare another variable called word, and we assign it to nothing, which is just 2 double quotes, because this is going to be like our password at the end. Once we add like letters from this variable to here, the amount of times the user wants to. Now we declare a for loop for x in range, and we just put the usernum, which is already an integer. Now we go inside and we write word plus equal to random.choice of letters. Now what this line basically does is it takes a random letter from this variable and it puts it in this variable here, word, and that's basically going to be our password at the end. So what we do now is we go outside this for loop and then we print the word, and that should be it. But this while loop is going to be looping, and some people don't want that and they want it to stop. So what we do here is we take another input, which we're going to call again equal to the input of try again, and inside brackets we're just going to put y/n, y for yes and n for no. And underneath we're just going to put an if condition. If again is equal to n, then you can just make con is equal to false, and that will basically stop this. That will basically stop this whole loop, this whole while loop, because it will only go if con is equal to true, but now it's false, so it won't go now. Okay, let's test it now. Okay, let's put 6 and enter. So that's D question mark G, which is 3 letters, C21, which is another 3, which makes 6. And that's a very unique password, which is very important when you're trying to do something. Now some people might not like that and they want to try again, so they just enter Y and it'll start again. So you can just put 4 and it would generate a password again. Now if they don't want to generate passwords anymore and they're happy with the password they have, then they can just press N and the loop will end. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something from it. Have a good day. Bye.